2023, I enrolled here for MBA or Masters in Business. And my best friend enrolled here ng TCP. So she enrolled. And doon ako nakaisip na why not try TCP since I believe that continuous learning is a form of self-love as well. Naniniwala din ako na being an educator kasi is one of the greatest professions sa buong mundo.
Post-pandemic, pina-follow ko na siya, chinecheck ko yung website because I was challenged on how to handle my daughter's academic activities. Sabi ko, why not try this? Yung nakita ko, nag-open yung TCP.
I joined my daughter who tried to inquire about engineering course in Pamantasan last 2024. Accidentally, I inquired about the MBA program, but the registrar informed me that I need a bridging course. So the registrar explained to me all the available courses, and so I chose the TCP program of PNC.
Pumunta ako dito sa PNC way back a year ago to inquire about accountancy sa registrar. Unfortunately, hindi ako nag-qualify for PNC sa accountancy. That's why in-offer nila sa akin yung the TCP. Kinonsider ko siya to get it. Nagpa-assess ako sa registrar and I qualified to be one of the student of PNC.
One of the reasons that encouraged me is my daughter because I was thinking of homeschooling her. Gusto ko maging qualified as a teacher and then I have a sister na may special needs. So I want to help her kasi matagal siyang na-stop sa pag-aaral. And then I stumbled upon TikTok videos of teachers that really help students and that inspires me.
I'm encouraged by my colleagues in my previous school. She said to me that being a unit earner is a pathway to earn and have a ILPT license, and it enhances my skills in dealing with the technicalities of teaching, and it emphasizes my advancement in career in this kind of profession that I love. It develops my character of being a self-help educator.
Actually, right now, may full-time job na ako and I want to hone my skills. Kasi learning something new is a form of self-love for me. Going here in PNC para matuto ng another skill which is teaching and to become a teacher someday is a one step moving forward.
Through the guidance and the help of our professors, I was able to train myself how to be responsible and as well as apply strategies and also become more confident kung paano mag-review and eventually pass the exam.
I think the main word is confidence. I had been out of school for many years, but when I joined the PNC TCP program, it brought me back those passion to learn.
Marami pong matututunan pa, lalo na po yung natapos po namin yung program within a year. Talagang yung skills na enhance pa po, and also nagkaroon pa po kami ng confidence na ituloy po yung aming mga ipinopursue na advancement of career. Lalo na po sa panahon ngayon na kailangan po ng maraming teachers, and nandito po kami para magdagdag sa mga course na magiging future educator.
Unang-una, the quality of education. Second, the affordability and accessibility of the location. And third, marami kang makikilala na iba't ibang mga tao. And you'll never know, magiging friends mo sila and they will help you to achieve your goal.
Itong Pamantasan ng Kabuyao, simula nung ako'y nagkolehiyo dito, talagang nagbigay po siya ng chances sa ating mga kabuyenyo. Lalo na po dyan sa mga kabuyenyo na nangangarap mag-aral ng another degree. So piliin yung earning units kasi dito mas ma-enhance pa yung skills ninyo and magkakaroon pa kayo ng chances na mabago yung buhay ninyo. Kasi lalo na po sa ngayon, nararamdaman ko na din yung pressure. Mag-encourage po yung mga estudyante na i-take po nila ang education as a profession.
Pamantasan ng Kabuyao is known for quality education. Be it a graduate course, undergraduate, or even a certification, this TCP will ensure that students are competent and can do well in their profession.
unit earner program of Pamantasan ng Kabuyao is very specific and very attainable.
Maganda, magaling, at of course, talagang competent din yung mga professors and yung mga materials na ginagamit talagang na doon, all in na siya sa magiging licensure examination ninyo.
Unit Earners Program, students of Kabuyao are competent. They can do the same thing as other graduates do.
It gives opportunity for all. I hope everybody who wants or who are interested should try to enroll here.